Making money quickly often requires creativity, adaptability, and sometimes a willingness to take on tasks outside of your usual comfort zone. Here are 5 ways to make money fast, though it's essential to approach each method with caution and ensure that you're not falling for scams or risky ventures. Sell unused items. What? Most people have items in their homes they no longer use or need. This could be electronics, clothing, books, or even collectibles. Where? Platforms like eBay, Craigslist, Facebook Marketplace, or apps like Declutter, Poshmark, and OfferUp can be great places to list items for sale. Tips. Take clear photos of your items, write detailed descriptions, and price competitively. Meet buyers in public places if selling locally. Gig economy jobs. What? Tasks that are generally short-term and pay upon completion. These could include rideshare driving, food delivery, or handyman services. Where? Platforms like Uber, Lyft, DoorDash, Postmates, TaskRabbit, or Instacart offer opportunities in various cities. Tips. Always consider the expenses you'll incur, like gas for driving gigs, and the wear and tear on your vehicle. Day labor or quick tasks. What? Physical jobs that people need done immediately, like moving assistance, yard work, or simple home repairs. Where? Local classifieds, Craigslist, gigs, section, or word of mouth in local community groups or centers. Tips. Be cautious about accepting work from strangers. Inform someone close to you about your whereabouts and the nature of the job. Participate in online surveys or market research. What? Companies and researchers will pay for your opinion or for testing products. Where? Websites like Survey Junkie, Swagbucks, mTurk, or Vindale Research offer paid surveys. Focus groups might be available in local areas or through platforms like Respondent.io. Tips. Avoid sites that ask for money up front. Some survey sites reward with gift cards or points rather than cash. Pawn or consign items. What? If you need cash immediately and can part with a valuable item temporarily or permanently, consider pawning or consigning it. Where? Local pawn shops for immediate loans, or consignment shops if you have luxury clothing or accessories to sell. Tips. Pawn shops will charge interest, and if you don't pay back the loan by the agreed time, they'll sell your item. Consignment shops will take a percentage of the selling price of your item.